Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Toya Rey and I am back with another video. I just wanted to do a quick video. I am restocking my Moroccan goddess oils and I thought that this would be a great way to talk to you guys about the benefits of the oils. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you please check that subscribe button and click the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up so other goddesses like yourselves will be able to see this video. And if you are returning back to watch another video on my channel, thank you so much for being a A1 Day One. I really do appreciate it. I know it's been a minute since you guys have seen a video for me. I have actually been on like a 2-week break from work in the salon. I just felt like I was going down a bad path and about to have just another breakdown. I was feeling very overworked and overwhelmed with working my 9-to-5 job, managing my salon, and I'm trying to be also an entrepreneur and run my businesses as well. So everything was just beginning to become just a little bit overwhelming and I needed a serious break. It's literally been like 2 years since I've had a vacation and I really wish I could have got away from Atlanta and went somewhere, but I didn't. I had a staycation at home and was able to get a little bit of rest, but I plan on taking another vacation very soon just to get out of my environment and to just get some new energy around. But I'm back and working now, so just wanted to let you guys know very quickly why you guys haven't seen any videos. I was posting short videos for you guys just so that you'll have something to view on my channel. Okay, so now that we've gotten all of that out the way, let's talk about some of the ingredients in this herbal infused oil. I'm going to start with amla. Amla has a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants to help rejuvenate your hair and promote stronger and healthier growth. It has excellent conditioning properties and it also nourishes and moisturizes the hair and adds amazing shine and texture to it. Fenugreek has natural proteins, vitamin C as well. It provides slips and aids in detangling. It also helps with dandruff, scalp irritation, and eczema and acne as well. So it's great for scalp care. And it will soften your hair, increase manageability, and restore luster and bounce. Brahmi repairs the hair follicles as well as strengthen the scalp tissue to encourage healthy hair growth, and it supports scalp circulation. It prevents hair loss and it aids in treating dandruff, making our hair strong and lustrous and reduces the risk of scalp acne. Burdock root contains amino acids for building keratin and other essential hair proteins. It helps nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair. It also helps with dandruff and itchy scalp relief and enhances hair growth and improves hair health, And lastly, ginger. Ginger root is a good remedy for treating hair loss because it helps in making the hair follicle strong, and this in turn prevents hair fall and allows hair to grow long and thick. Okay, this oil also contains Moroccan Argan Oil, which is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and omega 3, 6, and 9 fatty acids. Aids in shine, prevents frizz, and it helps eliminate dandruff and repair damaged hair caused by chemical treatments. It contains pumpkin seed oil, which is filled with zinc and potassium, improves blood circulation, is conditioning as well, and it also contains sulfur and biotin. Metaform oil, seed oil, has fatty acids. It forms a protective coating on the hair to retain moisture. It rejuvenates dry or damaged hair, smooths hair, provides protection for UV rays. Hemp seed oil contains proteins, high quality fatty acids. It helps maintain the natural texture of hair, prevents water loss. It is also rich in omega-3, 6, and 9, and improves blood circulation in the scalp. It's also very rich in vitamin E, which increases the natural elasticity of hair, and contains 25% protein and contributes to keratin formation during the initial growth cycle of your hair strand. Jojoba oil is rich in vitamins and minerals. It strengthens your hair, prevents hair loss, prevents hair thickness as well. And then of course I've added vitamin E to this oil as well, which helps increase the production of sebum that gives your hair its healthy shine and glow. And it also helps prolong the shelf life of your oils as well. And it increases blood flow to the scalp as well. Okay, so those are the main ingredients within my herbal growth oil that's very, very beneficial to the hair. And I just wanted to share that with you guys so that you have an understanding of what's in this herbal oil. I am working on another herbal oil which is specifically for those who have severe dandruff and scalp psoriasis, and that will be coming out very, very soon. Also, I am currently working on a curl cream. I am working on a leave-in conditioner. I am working on a deep conditioner, shampoo, pre-poo. So I have so many products that's in the works, in the process of being formulated for you guys, that's coming out. And we're also getting our skin care side of the business ready as well. So in the next several months, like, you're going to be seeing a lot of new products come to the Moroccan Goddess line. I'll be starting 2 new lines as well. So I'll be keeping you guys updated on everything in the process of growing the business and the line. And of course you'll see demonstrations in my hair videos as well. The herbal growth oil, not oil, but we all have a herbal growth hair butter that will be available very soon. That's about to enter into production. And then the leave-in conditioner for the Moroccan Goddess line, it's also about to enter into production as well. I'm just doing some slight tweaks to that to make sure that it is absolutely perfect for you all. The Moroccan Goddess line is all about hair growth, herbal hair growth, using herbs to stimulate hair growth naturally for your hair. So I just wanted to, do a quick little video to really explain like what's in the Moroccan Goddess oil. And I'm also going to enter in the video right now a discount code for you if you're watching on YouTube and you would like to purchase this oil. It is in stock on my website. I'm adding my little labels here. My labels finally came in. If you watch my other little entrepreneur vlog, then you already know my struggles with the labels. I had to print labels from my computer, my home printer, and it wasn't the best, but I had to do what I had to do to get my orders out and my products out to you guys. I'm gonna put some music on and let you guys finish watching the rest of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will do shout outs hopefully in my next video. I'm still just like trying to get back in the swing of things and just trying to get back to positive energy and good vibes and things like that, but still pushing through to do everyday life, basically. But I didn't want to delay, putting out another video. I hope you guys enjoy these entrepreneur vlogs. I hope to do more of them. because initially my channel was just never really supposed to be just all about hair and watching me in the salon. So I am starting to incorporate more videos outside of that, and quite frankly sometimes I just get tired of editing hair videos back to back, and this is a nice way to break up my content for you guys. Yeah, I'll do shout outs in my next video for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to turn the music up and let you guys enjoy watching me putting the labels on the bottles. Please make sure that you follow me on all of my social medias handles. They're listed in the description box, and I'll put them here on the screen as well. Once again, here is the discount code for you guys to go purchase your well, basically, if you sign up for the email list, you get $10 off. So if you sign up for my email list, you're going to be emailed a discount code to save $10. I think I'm just going to do it like that. Sign up for my email list on my website, and you're going to automatically get a $10 off coupon to save $10 off of your first order. I think that is just like the best way to do it. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. Thanks again, guys. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up.
Sending you things I shouldn't do, 'cause you're on my mind and I can't sleep tight. And I know that we're talking night, but it's not that type I want you to like. 'Cause I'm fed up, I can never be enough for you. Oh, I'm fed up of this, 'cause you're my best dream, worst nightmare, all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream, worst nightmare, all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Sending you things I shouldn't do, trying to push you away so I can't say hey, 'cause I seem to lack some self-control when I'm in these situations with my heart and soul. 'Cause I'm fed up, I can never be enough for you. Oh, I'm fed up of this, 'cause you're my best dream, worst nightmare, all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream, worst nightmare, all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Time for small sex, no regrets. Living in the moment every time that we get undressed. No, any kind of feeling can't come through, 'cause we're living in a space where we're separate too. That's true. Make sure that whatever you do, when you walk out the door, you don't text me too soon, 'cause a message from you will be a message from you, unless it's been 6 days. Then send it through, 'cause you're my best dream, worst nightmare, all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream, worst nightmares, all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so